Oh, hello, everybody. Welcome back to Power Potion. And today I'm doing another recipe. And as you might remember, well, this is my second recipe. The last one was a speed recipe, but I'll speed up part of this. Link is in the description to my previous recipe. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Nutella sandwich. So here we go. So here are the things you'll need. So you're going to need a plate and some Nutella and some bread. Wait, I forgot something else. I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, the last thing is a knife. So now, let's speed it up in 3, 2, 1, and boom. I can do it better. Whoa. Okay. So, here. So now I just made a delicious Nutella sandwich, and you can do this if you want, and you can put whatever you want on it, and if it looks good to you, and tell me down in the comments what you thought of this video, and thank you for watching, and peace out, Potion Powers.